process is a great way to plan for the implementation of a learning management system such as Schoology because it will ensure that the instruction has clarity and deep meaning. First, the analysis phase begins the planning by answering initial questions like who, what, when, where, and how. For my perfect unit, this identification includes the fact that high school art students need more information and knowledge about how art is used in various careers. The delivery options would be various multimedia resources and activities loaded onto Schoology, a central hub for the lesson. Next, the design phase. This is when the instructor figures out specifically what he or she wants the learner to discover and then begins designing the interface and prototypes. For my unit on art careers, this would involve making notes on what art careers I want to introduce, what activities would pertain to those careers, and how I can pull that content together online with word processing documents and various software. Development is the final stage of the preparation process, where all content and presentation is in final stages, technology assets are found and tested, and any final revisions are made. For my unit, this would include loading any multimedia assets onto Schoology, testing all links, completing the write-up of assignment criteria, and populating all tools such as rubrics, calendar, and imagery. I think it's interesting that the implementation stage, where the actual action with students takes place, is more than halfway through the Addie process. This shows the importance of prep work in teaching, especially when it deals with technology and populating something like a learning management system. Students will be guided through the process of learning and discovery and introduced to all content in the unit during the implementation. Finally, the evaluation stage sums up the Addie process. Summative evaluations, including any tests, rubrics of projects, quizzes, and surveys, provide quantitative data of student performance, which should be reflected on in conjunction with any qualitative collection, including observation and student opinion. Formative evaluation should be occurring throughout the entire Addie process and should inform the instructor about how to improve pedagogy and future Addie designs. In my Perfect Unit 1 and Introduction to Art Careers, I will be very interested to observe student opinions about how they can use the information in their lives after high school. I am also looking forward to their reactions about various media-rich assets that I would platform on Schoology that really have a wow factor, including game design principles, animation, illustration techniques, fashion design, and architectural design tools. Addie will really help me to make sure all the technology glitches are ironed out before I start and that students are inspired, not overwhelmed with the curriculum design.